Good day, everyone. So this morning when I woke up, Mother Nature decided to play a trick on us, or a joke, whatever one you want to call it. Ha ha ha. Not funny. Let me turn around here. Winter's back. Yes, my chores are not easy today. So right now all I'm doing is putting all the heaters back in the stock tank so that the horses can have nice warm water today. Normally Lake Superior is usually kind to us and will push that snow further up north and give us some rain, but no, not this time. She's in on the joke. Ha ha ha. So yeah, either way, good morning everyone, and winter's back. Good morning, girls. Good morning, Izzy. All right, let's get this all. There we go. All right, that's in. Good. Good. It's on. All right, perfect. Check on the next ones. Even had to put on my winter boots this morning. My toque, my mitts. Wonderful. So cold, the goats aren't even coming out. They're like, no way, staying in their house. Good morning, Rooster. All right, so today's only going to be a short video, just a short clip, just because Mother Nature is not nice to us today. But that's okay, I just had to share with everyone. All right, we're in, good. Oh, gotta plug this one up. Bear with me, everyone. Here, I'm trying to do two things at once. Hold the phone and here, hang on, I'll be right back. All right, we're plugged in. We'll check back on it later. All right, let's move forward. I closed her door because the wind is pretty brutal too. So give them their shelter nice and warm. All right. All right. All right, perfect, we're in. And light is on. Good. Perfect. Winter's back. I know, Cinder. It'll warm up. No worries. Just for a day or two. We'll be just fine. All right. So yeah, so today's just going to be a short video. Just a short clip. I just want to show everyone that winter was back. No fun. But it is what it is living up here. So yeah, so please subscribe, like, send a comment, and have a great day, everyone. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.